Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use iOS app provisioning profile to prevent your iOS line of business application from expiring. So if you're working in organizations where being as an admin you deploying your line of business application which is actually built by your in-house developer or your vendor but for your organizations, so how you can prevent those applications, iOS applications, from expiring. Let's understand few of the things before creating the profiles, provisioning profile from Microsoft Intune. This Apple iOS line of business applications that are assigned to your iPhone devices are built with an included provisioning profiles and the code that is signed with the certificates, right? So when the iOS app run on your devices, that devices confirm the integrity of the applications and enforce the policy that are defined by the provisioning profiles. So what will happen? There is two things. The first is installations file integrity, which actually check the code signing certificates, and if they fail, the app, it won't allow you to run on the devices, right? The other thing, you the enterprise signing certificates. The enterprise signing certificate, when you use to sign the app, typically lasts for 3 years. So there are two type of certificates. There is one is enterprise signing certificate, which is actually usually for 3 years. However, we are talking about this provisioning profile. Provisioning profile expires after years, I mean every year. So we are not talking about the enterprise signing certificate, which is valid for 3 years, which is called a development signing certificates. So while the certificate is still valid, right, provisioning profile is still valid for a year, Intune gives us the opportunity or a tool to proactively assign a new provisioning profile to our devices that have the apps that are nearing expiring, right? So because if you don't renew after the certificates will expire, then your user won't be able to run and it will crash the application because the certificate won't expire. So you must sign the apps again with the new certificates and embed a new provisioning profile with the key of the new certificates. So it is must, being as admin, you can include the devices and provisioning profile and make sure before expiring you can upload here so that it will get renewed. So how you can do that? So you go to the devices app sections and you see iOS app provisioning profile here. Create a new, you see this will prevent. If you want to learn more, click learn more, just create a new profile and you can give any name like app name, just for your like app name provisioning profile. You can give as per your name with validity date if you want, or you will see. And then here you have to upload the file here and the expiration date as well. So you must be having this .mobile provisioning profile which you will get from your developer. So you can ask your developers to provide a Apple configurations profile with the extension with .mobile provision that you can download. I mean developer can download. If you are not developer, if you are a developer, I'm sure, assuming that you are not a developer, but in case if you are developer, you can download from the Apple developer websites. So where is the websites? Let's just upload it here and go to this. So this is the developer website. You see here, in order to manually sign these applications, you will need to create the development provisioning profile here, right? So you must be have a developer account, because developer can only do, or you have access, but I don't think so. And then from the Xcode you can download the provisioning profile. These steps is mentioned. This is for the developer, so developer can understand better. It's not for the Intune admin. So you can just ask your developers to provide the provisioning profile for these applications, and they can download from the Apple developer side, and you need to upload it here. Since I have the provisioning profile, but it got expired, you see here. But as soon as if they will provide the valid certificates for these applications, it will show here, and the expiration date automatically show. Then you will click next, and it will come to the scope, which is default, and then assign to your devices. Let me cancel this. So this is very simple. You don't have to do anything. If the old certificate is already expired, you don't have to delete, you just have to upload the new one. And you don't have to modify the existing profile or any. You just create a new profile and deploy that new provisioning profile, right? This is how you can prevent your line of business applications, iOS applications, from expiring proactively from Microsoft Intune. You don't need to be resign the applications again with the enterprise or provisioning profile. This is very good tool Microsoft is offering for all of us. I hope you learn how you can renew the iOS provisioning profile without compiling the applications. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.